Now, what is wrong with this little guy? He is going crazy. It's the one in the middle flipping all over the place. It's another type of microscopic creature I can't identify. I'm gonna have to start Googling like these creatures and see if I can compare them to something. He is going crazy. Let's see if I can get a better look. There he is. Look at that. He is losing it. Just going crazy. Tell me what you guys want to see under the microscope and I'll see if I can make it happen. I mean, I'll do what I can. Keeping my camera on this little screen is kind of hard, but as you can see, it can be done. So yeah, let me know what you guys want to see underneath the microscope and I'll do my best to make it happen. Wow. It's just going crazy. Anyway, put it down in the comments below what you want to see under the microscope and I'll do what I can. See you on the next video.